fourth floor, lift, stairs. We have lift here. You can take the lift. This is our house. Ta-da! So as soon as we enter, we have vacuum and penyapu. Yeah, which means that they are not going to do the cleaning for you. You have to do it yourself. This is the shoe cupboard. They will put the hair dryer here. My sister is currently using it right now. So this is how the cupboard looks like. And that's the first room. Let's go. Right. So this is how the first room looks like. With toilet, mirror, queen size bed, 2 pillows only, and cupboard. They give 2 hangers in each room, empty, and a TV, and that's the view. Ta-da! And that's the mountain view. Can you see it? Cannot. And then as soon as we go out here, this is how the hallway looks like. We have a toilet on the left. It's kind of a mess right now because we are leaving, so that's why there's trash there. And then this. Okay. So this is the only toilet with the bathtub, and all the toilets here has no bidet. No bidet. Okay. The kitchen area, the dining area, and the living room. The second bedroom, but my sister is currently inside. Let's go. This table was supposed to be at the center of the room, but we move it to the side so that we can have a lot more space to move around here. And this is my socks. This is the view of the living room. See, that's the view. You can see mountains and this industrial area. Right. This is how the living room looks like from the other side. The fridge. Okay, the fridge has nothing inside. Ta-da. There's a toaster, microwave, and they give you a rice cooker. All the kitchen utensils is also provided. It's down here. There you go. It's a complete utensil, which is super awesome. A very nice sink size. The spoon and fork is inside here. The plates and bowls are inside here. Ta-da. The kettle is there. Nice. And this is the ventilation. If you're gonna use this space, just pull it out like that, and that's how it works. Pull it back and you shut it off. And behind the kitchen there's a washing machine, and this is where you hang your clothes after you clean it off. They do not provide you the detergent to wash your clothes, so we bought our own. So you have to buy it. You have to buy it yourself as well. This is the third bedroom. Third bedroom is the same as the first bedroom with joint toilets. This is how it looks like. The view is on the other side of the building. We have the highway view, forest view, and that side is the city view. Ta-da! TV, same thing. I forgot to mention that they give us extra blanket and extra mattress, but no extra pillow, which is so weird, for anyone who wants to sleep outside here. So basically this house can fit two, or maybe one on the sofa and another one at the floor, on the floor. So 2, 4, 6, 8 people. The second bedroom doesn't have a joint toilet. That's why there's this toilet outside here. We have to use the toilet outside here. Da! Hey! Hey! See? It's the same, but it's bigger. It's really bigger. really big, bigger than the other two rooms. And it's a mess. It's a mess. And that's it for the house tour in Geoje Oasis. Oasis gorgeous. It's my dad in his sanctuary. Ta-dang!